you guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, as y'all can tell, I chopped my hair. Like, let me that's how much I chopped. And now it's a blunt, cute freaking cut. It's beautiful, you guys. And the journey to this has taken so long because if y'all go back to my videos, I literally had that amber rose, that amber rose freaking ball fade, and yeah, I was rocking that back then. Like, it's been a year and a couple months now, so it's taken me like a year and maybe like 4 or 5 months so my hair can get a little bit like shoulder length. As you grow it, it grew in layers because obviously the hair on the side is shorter than the hair on top, and then the hair in the back grows faster because it's closer than the hair in the top. So obviously you're gonna have layers. So, but yeah, it's been a journey. If y'all want a video on my hair journey, let me know, I can post that. But today I wanted to show off my little cut. I cut my hair, and today, oh my god, you guys, in this bag, I know it's so bad, but I'm gonna dye it black. Only the ends though, because I want my hair to be virgin. But as I did, okay, let me tell y'all. When I had that little fade going on the top, I bleached my hair like 3 times, then went green, then didn't like that, then dyed it black, and my hair, like this bottom, whew, I'm surprised it's still alive. So I went to Target. I know box freaking dyes are so bad, but I'm not dyeing my whole head. I'm just dyeing the little tips, and it's mainly here in the front. Yeah, so don't judge me, I'm not a professional. And I literally got the cheapest box. The Revlon is the way to go. It's like $3. So yeah, so today we're gonna dye my hair and stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so I changed into this shirt. I'm just gonna mix them. So it was like $3. So I don't want to wash a bowl and all that craziness. This is where I'm screwing this. I don't know why I like the smell. Don't judge me. And I have one glove on, and I have the other one. I'm saving the other one because my baby, he's gonna do the back of my hair because I can't see, and I'm not gonna deal with that. So he's gonna do my back. Yeah. I bet y'all can't wait to see my baby in action because he's a nice boyfriend and does anything for me. He spoils me rotten. I'm just kidding. Oh my god, that sounds so considerate. We're gonna put the lid like so. Oh my god, it dripped a little. It dripped a little. Oh shit, I should have cut it. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, we're gonna give it a shake. Give it a shake. Oh my god, you guys, I'm so scared. So I'm literally gonna put it in the glove and just put it in the, oh my god, put it in the tips. Because that's all I need. I'm not gonna dye my whole hair because there's no reason to. We're just putting in the tip. Okay, I'm gonna do the other side. Yeah. Sorry for the lighting, it keeps changing. I'm using natural lighting, so hopefully I can do it. It's 12, probably 1 something now. 1 something, maybe like 1:30. So this is all natural daylight. But I'm working on getting lights for you guys. So my baby is gonna finish off the back of my hair. because I can't see.
How do I do it?
So just put a little dot and like try to get like all of it. Whatever you see it.
Just in the back.
Just in the back. And it doesn't matter if you get my shirt because I don't like the shirt. I never wear it.
I just can't see.
Do you need me to straight or move like that?
Like this.
Okay. If you get my neck, it doesn't matter. As long as you get that dye on there.
Okay, babe.
Thank you.
No.
Love you.
Love you too, babe.
I forgot to tell you that you gotta wait for 30 minutes, let it sit. So I'm just gonna be chilling for 30 minutes. I'm gonna wash it, I'm gonna blow dry it, and then I'll be back with the finished result, guys. So stay tuned. Oh my god, I love it. So this is the end result. As y'all can see, it's even, it's blunt, it's beautiful. It's like all one solid color, and now it just looks really cute. And I look like Dora. I'm about to go out with boots and hunt the adventures of, I don't know. But yeah, you guys, and I use this little cheap Revlon. I know this is so bad for your hair, but it's only on the tips. And it'll grow, and by next month I'm gonna probably chop 2 months, probably 2 months. I'm gonna chop it again, and then I'll have virgin hair. Yes. Yeah. Isn't this giving you like that Kim Kardashian? Don't dig your nails at me again. Well, she didn't say that, but anyways, you guys, this is the end of my video. If you like this type of hair tutorials videos, let me know. I'll do more. And if y'all want a video of my hair journey where y'all can see when I was bald headed and now to this point, let me know. But anyways, guys, mwah, take care, and remember, F the hate to you. Alright, bye guys. Mwah.